Welcome guys. Concerning our wallet, I've cut out the main this thing. You can see it. I've cut it out. Okay, I've cut it out. Not too many on my table right now. I've cut it out. Okay. So let me show you how to I'm using my cutting knife. To get this, my cutting knife to cut the zipper part. You can use your scissors also. This is the type I normally use. You can see the inside. You see the inside. You can see this is a thick leather, a very thick leather. This is a very thick leather. Okay, you can see the inside. It has the inside is airy. Okay, so but this particular one I'm using is double face. This is my first time of using double face, though I'm only using it because it's somehow it's not that thick. It's not that somehow soft in the hand. Okay, so if you use a thicker leather, and the body is thicker, it's not somehow soft. It may not make sense as how it's supposed to be. So I'm only using this double. This is what the person ordered, and I'm making like 10 pieces of this type. From my own measurement, I normally see like 10 in the yard. So imagine buying a yard for 2,000 naira, and then you manage to cut out 10. And even if you have to sell the wallet at the wholesale price of 1,000 naira, so you definitely have made a lot of profits. Meanwhile, it depends on what kind of area you are. You can sell at 2,000 naira, 2,515, 1,200. You are okay, honestly. It depends on where you are located. Because some area is a bit price now. So I hope you understand. So the next thing now is how to couple it all together. No, I mean, so this is the flap. This is the flap. You can see I have so many wallets. Even if not that I've made some and I've delivered them, I will show you a lot of work on my table. And everything is this wallet. So now to couple them together. Now wait till you remember that. So the next thing now is to cut your zip clothes, install the zip head. You know, I think you still remember the measurement of our zipper, our zip clothes. The measurement is 17.5 centimeter, I think. 17.5 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Okay, so let's go there.